Hi there, welcome back to another tutorial. In that tutorial, we are just gonna learning something really special. So day by day, our courses are finished. So we have to learn something professional now, and we have to learn how to make it more professional and how to make it. When you're learning Adobe Photoshop, you have to focus on your mind. So how to make it more awesome and more professional in like a shortcut way. And there have a lot of shortcut ways, and you can do that. So in that class, we are just running a something really special class, and that will be really easier for you. So what are you waiting for? Let's do that. Now we have to learn how to do that. So we are learning today's camera raw filters and camera raw preset. So preset, how does work? Actually, you have an image and you have some editing and some making preset file. So you just put it and you just download it, and when you just hit load and you make it, your images look really professional. How it works? So let's do that. So you have to go very first. We have to go go to filter, and then we have to go just camera raw filters. So camera raw filters, again camera raw, go to, just let me show you again, go to filter, then camera raw filters, and you can do shift control plus A. So you can do that. So when you just you see, and it show you how much RGB in here. It's already directed. It will show on you, and you can also temperature themes, but you have to download your already made preset, and it will known as Photoshop preset file, camera raw preset file. So how it's work? So very first you have to search camera raw preset file on Google, and you can you can use many things. So there will be many preset file will be free like this. So this is the thing. So I'm going to download this preset file. Actually, this is the preset file. I'm going to download it, and you see how it's work. So this will be your images. This will be the before images, and this will be this after using the preset file. So how it's work? So in that, how you just work on the preset file. So very first you have to download it, and it's a free download, and so you can download it free. And when it be download, I have already downloaded it already in my desktop. This is the thing. So this, you see, 2 camera raw and the VSCO XMP file. So now I have to load it. So now you have to go just this arrow bar in here. You see this? Just click in here, and then load setting. So when you go to the load setting, and you have to find it, this one. So this one I have downloaded from this that website, and just make it open. And when you just open and you see this game, it's already changes. It's like one click, and you have to fix in like here. It has so lot of exposure in here. So you can change the exposure, what will be light and contrast. If you like to be changed, you can change it here, and also the highlights option. So let's make it highlight a little bit here. And if you want to put any kind of shadows, so you can do that. I think too much it will look a bit darker. And whites, you can put some whites in it, so it will look visible. And this, I put some black, and it will look more creative. And then put the texture. If you put the texture, you see there's something blurry in the background in here, and it's now, and this is the clarity, and this is the DS file. So you can fix the vibrance in here, but that's it, okay. So this is the main image. And now when you just use the camera raw preset, now it's like that. So now you see how it's easy, and how I use the preset file in Adobe Photoshop. It's just already made by someone, and I just download from this website, and just used to and how it's used. So for your more clarification, I just to do it once again, so you can understand better. So very first we have to take images. So for example, we have these images. So I just take images, and now you have to go to this filter, and then camera raw filters. Again, camera raw filters, just go to it, just download, just go there, and in here, this is the icons, just click in here, and this load settings. So I'm going to use this one now. This is the camera raw in here, and always remember, where the file you download, it will be file, the camera preset file will be there. So just go there, and just okay, and just press the open, and you see this is one click. In one click you just made it, and you can make something fixed in here. So this is it. So from this we have to make it this. So how much easy? So isn't it? So in that, how you can just download any kind of camera preset file, and how to apply in our Adobe Photoshop. This is it. That's it for class 2 days. And if you think that's really worth your time, so please subscribe, because if you subscribe, so it really motivates me to make a video like that type of things and continue like this process. So what are you waiting for? Let's do that. And let me know any kind of things. So if you want to have any kind of issues, so just comment down below. I will try to answer. And that's it, family. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.